Welcome back to Milky and Sis. And today we're making sesame seed laddu, and as we know it in Telugu called as Nuvvula Laddu. And if you like laddus, then you're here at the right video. So let's get started.
Here we have 1 cup of jaggery.
Here we have half a cup of roasted peanuts and peeled. Here we have 1.5 cup of sesame seeds roasted.
Let's get started.
First, start off by taking a pan and putting it on the stove on medium heat. And now we're gonna add 1 cup of jaggery
And add some water.
and mix. And mix until all is melted. So I'm still stirring, but make sure to have a bowl of water, because as you've seen in our previous videos, whenever we make something with jaggery, we have to take some of the liquid and put it in the water to see if it will form into a ball, to see if it's perfect time to add the next step, to do the next step and add the next ingredients. All the jaggery is melted now. Now we're going to take some of the liquid and put it in water and see if it kind of gathers together and sticks together. And as you could see, it is. So now is the perfect time to go on to our next step. So as you could see, when you put it between your 2 fingers, and it's like there's like a string coming, sticky. Simmer your stove and add the sesame seeds and the peanuts and mix. So right now everything is mixed, so don't turn off your stove yet, but it will put it on low, and put some water on your hand and try to make it into a ball like that. And if it's too hot, get an adult to do this because it is not safe. This is why my mom's doing it right now. Every time you make a ball, after mix it in the middle so that it doesn't, because the flame is still on, right? So we have to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. So every time, if you have a chance in the middle, make sure to mix it. Finally done, and look how good they look. Don't they look good?
Yeah, I really want to eat them right now.
But we have to wait
Till the special bongo video.
so stay tuned for that. Well, I hope you like this recipe because it's like an easy recipe. It's like a 4 ingredient recipe, and that's it. And you can make it so easily. You don't even need that much ingredients. All you need is jaggery, sesame seeds, peanuts, and water. That's it. How simple.
That's so simple.
So you guys should try it. So I hope you guys like this video.
Make sure to subscribe,
Like,
and comment down below if you tried them and you ate them and it was so yummy.
and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.